So now we're going to solve simultaneous equation when one is linear and the other one is nonlinear. The one that you learned before was when one is linear and one is quadratic. Now this one is nonlinear. The nonlinear one would be this one. This would be like the typical linear equation. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So the first step to do when you're doing it with a nonlinear, you rewrite the linear one. Rewrite linear equation to make x the subject. What I mean by make x the subject, it means I want to solve for x or to keep x on one side and everything else on the other side. So it's going to become x equals, write back the 3 first because it's on this side already, and then the minus y becomes a plus y. So this is equation 3. Then we are going to substitute x equals 3 plus y in the linear equation. All right, the linear equation. Sorry, in the nonlinear equation, this one. So you're going to write it down first. xy equals 28. X is equal to this. So x is 3 plus y, and you put back the y equals 28. Now remember, when you get something like this, we have like 3x plus 5, you will say x 3 times x and 3 times 5, which will give you 3x plus 15. Same procedure, but the y is at the back and not at the front. So you're going to say y times y give you y squared, and y times 3 give you plus 3y. Carry over the 28, it becomes minus 28 equals 0. Again, we get a quadratic. A is 1, C is negative 28. So 1 times negative 28 give you negative 28. 1 times negative 28 gives you negative 28. And 4 sevenths is 28. So when we think of two numbers, when you multiply, give you a negative 28. Same two numbers, when you add it, will give you a positive 3. So 4 and 7. 7 would be the positive number because this number is positive, and the 4 will be negative. So 7. All right. So we have y squared. I'm going to put minus 4y plus 7y minus 28 equals 0. It's not always x, Dina. You can have all different letters. Okay, sometimes they put P and Q together, L and M together, and so on. Anyways, so we have 4 terms now, so we can now factorize. What's common is y. Y into y squared is y. Y into negative 4y is minus 4. What's common is 7, positive 7. 7 to 7y goes y. A positive into a negative will give you a negative. So 7 to 28 goes 4 times. These two are the same. So we write it down. What's outside the bracket is y plus 7. And we equate that to 0. Then we solve for y. Y minus 4 equals 0. And y plus 7 equals 0. Y is equal to positive 4. Y is equal to negative 7. Now from that we can find out the value of x. So we again do a substitution. Y equal 4 and y equal minus 7 in the linear equation. Alright, this is in equation 2. Linear equation is x minus y equals 3. X minus y equals 3. X, 1 value is 4, equals 3. And then you have another one that says x. There's a minus in the equation, and then the value of y is minus 7 equals 3. Substitute it properly. Now, of course, these two minus side by side will give you a plus. So you have x plus 7 equals 3. And so we're going to solve over here. 3, the negative 4 becomes a plus 4, x equals 7. Then we finally solve here. Put back the 3, this is a positive, it becomes minus 7, so x equals negative 4. Hence, when x is equal to 7, the y is equal to 4. And over here, when x is equal to minus 4, then y was equal to negative 7. And that's it.